Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German short videos. In this video, we will be learning the difference between two verbs, sprechen and reden. To practice what you learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. So, let's begin. Sprechen oder reden. Just like in English, you would differentiate the two verbs speak and talk. The same is the difference between sprechen and reden. We'll go through a few examples to see how these two verbs differ in German. The first verb is sprechen. Sprechen basically talks about your ability to speak. It's just like the other abilities, to walk, to see, etc. Let's look at the first example. Martin kann nicht sprechen. As you can see, in this example, Martin does not have the ability to speak. Let's look at the next one. Sie kann Deutsch sprechen. Sprechen is also used when you're talking about the ability to speak a language. Let's look at another example. Er spricht sehr laut. Moving on to the next verb, reden. Reden is more of a social act. When you're talking to someone about something, then you would use this verb. Let's look at the first example. Ich muss heute mit dir reden. So in this example, you would be talking to somebody and there will be an exchange of information. Reden is also used when you're talking about giving a speech. Wer wird heute Abend reden? So these are the two most common uses of the verb reden. In some cases, you can use both the verbs, but they have a different meaning. Let's look at an example. Wir haben gestern viel geredet. This means we talked to each other and there was exchange of information. The same sentence can also be made with sprechen. Wir haben gestern viel gesprochen. But in this case, it just means that we spoke a lot, not necessarily with each other, and probably with no exchange of information. There's one more important thing that you should remember when you're talking about the difference between the two verbs. Reden is used a little casually. Reden can also mean chatting. Sprechen is a nicer verb and is more formal. That's why in formal letters, you never use the verb reden. Great! A worksheet to practice the difference between these two verbs can be found on our page on patreon.com. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Do click on the bell to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!